In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a post sidebar to your Wix website. The importance of adding a sidebar to your website cannot be overstated, as it allows for easy navigation and gives your website a more professional look and feel. Now let's walk through the seamless process step by step. We begin by opening up the Wix editor for your site. Once you are inside the editor, you will find an option to add elements, which is located on the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and click on that. The addition of elements to your site allows you to increase functionality and aesthetic appeal based on your preference. Once you click on Add Elements, a range of options is presented to you. You need to hover over Menu and Anchor. After that, a drop-down will appear, where you need to select Vertical Menus. This is essential in creating your sidebar as it presents the menu in a vertical alignment, ensuring easy navigation for your website visitors. After selecting vertical menus, you will see a plethora of designs to choose from. Go through each of them and choose a design that fits your needs. The design should ideally be in tune with the overall theme and vibe of your website. Once your selection is made, effortlessly drag and drop the menu onto your webpage, specifically where you want your sidebar to be. Now, we move on to the next step, which is to pin the menu to the screen. This is a straightforward process, and sure enough, it is very easy to accomplish. Right-click on the menu that you just added and select Pin to Screen from the context menu that appears. You will then have options to precisely position the menu where you want it to be on the screen, such as on the right or left side. Our final step involves customizing the sidebar to suit your preferences and website design. To kickstart this process, click on the pinned menu. Once again, a range of options will be presented to you. Click Design to customize the appearance of the sidebar. With this option, you can control various elements such as colors, borders, and fonts, thus ensuring your sidebar stands out and appeals to your website visitors. For more advanced options, select Settings. This powerful tool allows you to manage the menu's content and behavior, allowing you to fine-tune your sidebar to perfection. By following all these steps, you can effortlessly and effectively add a post sidebar to your Wix website. Remember, the key to enhancing website usability is intelligent design and optimized navigation. Happy designing!